Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to fix low volume problem on REALME GT 7T. So first, check volume settings. Let me show you guys. First, make sure that the volume is turned up properly. So we have media turned up to the max. And now go over to settings and go to sound and vibration to check other settings. Make sure that your phone is set to ring for the time of testing, that the do not disturb is disabled, and yeah. Now if this didn't help you, then what you guys can try is test it with different apps like YouTube, music player like Spotify, etc. to see if the issue is only for specific applications or it's for the entire system. Now you guys can try using headphones or external speakers. You can test it with headphones or an external speaker to see if the issue is with the phone or it's also with the speakers. So now low volume could be a software bug. So now let's go over the settings. Let me show you guys. Go over the settings. Now scroll a bit down until you guys see system and update. Here go to software update, and now check if you run the latest version of your REALME UI. It's very important to run the latest version because on older versions there might be bugs like low volume or maybe calls. So make sure to update your system whenever an update is available. You just download it. And now you can try something simple like restarting your device. So hold the power button, the volume up button at the same time. Now swipe your finger up to restart, and now wait until your phone turns back on. So I'll see you guys then. Now I turned the phone back on. Here, as you guys can see, if it's still not working for you, then you guys can check for obstructions in the speaker. So try and inspect the phone speaker grill for any dust, debris. And now if there is something blocking the way of the speaker, then gently clean it with a soft brush or compressed air. I recommend the second one because I used it on my old phone. Now if none of those steps work for you, then factory reset might be needed. So remember, do it only as a last resort after backing up all your data. So first back up your data, so go over settings, go to system and update. Here go to backup and reset. Now click backup and migrate, and here click local backup or clone phone, whenever or whatever you want to do. So now click reset phone, erase all data, enter your password if you have one, and click clear. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope I fixed your problem with the low volume, and see you in the next video. Bye.